guys, I'm at Walmart. So I found a cleaning robot. So he's doing a great job of cleaning the floors. So please do watch, and thanks for watching. So at Walmart, they've started using cleaning robot. He cleans everything. As you can see, he's going and making the floors shine. So he knows where he's going, and I find it very, very interesting. Look at him go. I need this for my house because he's doing an excellent job. Oops, did he get stuck? So he's gonna fix himself. Yep, he fixed himself. He's gonna go clean the aisle. Oh, nice, very nice. There you go. So we have a cleaning robot at Walmart, shining away, shining the floors and the aisles.